Syringe Metal Clay, PMC3. This course contains 3 parts, and in each part is a video. And I'm going to let the photographs in this promo speak for themselves, but in part 1, this is what I cover: packaging, hold, preparation, anchors, and habits. In part 2, I cover application, application types, practice on glass, thickness and syringe tips, and strength of syringe. And lastly, in part 3, I cover working on glass, moving syringe, cake decorating, uses, repairing with syringe, storage, and there are lots and lots of photos to inspire you. Hope to see you in class.